All right. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word javan. Javan. Javan is young, youthful, or young person. Let's see some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Cavan komanda, a young team. Feel youthful. Özünü CAVAN hisset. Feel youthful, that goes to yourself, right? That's why in Azerbaijani it starts with özünü, yourself. Feel yourself youthful. To help a young person, cavan şəxsə, kömək etmək. Person, şəxs. Kömək etmək, to help. Cavan şəxsə, to help a young person. Cavan şəxsə kömək etmək. Now, sentences. Turnirdə cavan komanda təcrübəli rəqiblərə qarşı qorxmadan oynadı və hamını sürəti ilə təəccübləndirdi. At the tournament, turnirdə, that's the loan word. The young team played fearlessly against experienced opponents and surprised everyone with its speed. What surprise? It's young team. All right, let's break it down. Turnirdə, at the tournament, cavan komanda, the young team, təcrübəli rəqiblərə qarşı qorxmadan oynadı. Oynadı, played. Qorxmadan, fearlessly. Təcrübəli rəqiblərə qarşı. Qarşı, against. Rəqiblərə, opponents. Təcrübəli, experienced. Played fearlessly against experienced opponents. Təcrübəli rəqiblərə qarşı qorxmadan oynadı. Və, and, hamını sürəti ilə təəccübləndirdi. Təəccübləndirmək, to surprise. Təəccübləndirdi, surprised. See how the word is written? Təəccüb. But you say təəccüb. Now, sürəti ilə, with its speed. Hamını, everyone. Okay, next sentence. Metroda cavan şəxsə kömək etmək üçün ayağa qalxdım. Amma o artıq başqasına yer vermişdi. Hamı gülümsədi. On the metro, I stood up to help a young person, but he already had given his seat to someone else and everyone smiled. Some awkward situations, it seems, happened, but let's translate. Metroda, on the metro, another loan word. Cavan şəxsə kömək etmək üçün, to help a young person, ayağa qalxdım. I stood up. But, ama, o artıq başqasına yer vermişdi. He had already given his seat to someone else. Hamı gülümsədi and everyone smiled. Cool beans. Today's word was javan. Let's see how else we can use this word. My playlist is javan, but my bedtime is 9 p.m. Now, I have Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store if you are interested in learning the language step by step, where Module 1 is completely free, and I highly recommend you to go through it because it will help you build the foundations you would need to set you up for success. And I would actually recommend you do it over and over. But for deeper, more grammatical, cultural, historical, and learning tips, I have mastersofj.com, where I post blogs every 10 days since 2025 November. Feel free to check it out. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.